This is the AKKO ACR Pro 75. Out of the box, I was little underwhelmed. This has been staying in my cabinet for quite some time because of my keyboard backlogs, but finally brought it out today. Um, it's a good keyboard for the price, considering that it comes with a very good keycap set and two options for your plate, the aluminum and the polycarbonate plate. Um, the aluminum plate was meh for me. It was very stiff. It ruined the gasket mounted design of this keyboard. But once I switched it with the polycarbonate plate and tuned the stabs a little bit, really good stabilizers for its price. You just have to tune it. I just lubed mine and did the micropore mod. It's really good. Look at that flex and that bounce. Very soft typing feel. The stabilizers are really good. The AKKO CS crystal switches that come with it are okay. It's too light for my taste, but this will suit a lot of beginners for the hobby, which I think this keyboard is targeting. And it's good. It's there's a little bit of scratch in it. I'll be lubing this soon, and I'll be updating you with a sound test and of course a full review on this keyboard. I really like the fact that this comes with their own keycaps, which I think are really good. My first experience with the AKKO are the keycaps, and for the price, it's really hard to beat. So stay tuned. Very good keyboard, good gasket mounting design. You just have to remove the lower case foam because that eliminates the flex. But once you remove it, it's there. I don't think you need the lower case foam. So yeah, that's it for now. See you guys.